Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope that you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also very fantastic. You know what guys, today I'm making this video after quite a long time. And in this video, I will be talking about two interesting elements of ielts, which you can use in your IELTS speaking. If you use it in your IELTS speaking, it will increase your IELTS score a lot. But the same thing, if you use in your IELTS writing, it will decrease your IELTS score. So, without further delay, let's get started about today's topic. Number one, contraction. We all know this like shouldn't, couldn't, haven't, don't, didn't, doesn't, this kind of short form. So, if you use this in case of IELTS speaking test, it will increase your IELTS score a lot. But the same thing, if you write it down in your IELTS writing test, it will decrease your score. So, don't do it. And number two, idioms and phrases. We all know that idioms and phrases how much important for our speaking. If you use more and more idioms and phrases in your IELTS speaking, it will increase your IELTS score. But never use idioms and phrases in your writing test because it will reduce your score. So don't do it. So that's it. Best of luck everyone and happy learning. And yeah, don't forget to comment below if this video is useful. And if you want to more video like this, let me know that in my comment section. So till then, take care and stay connected with my page Learning English with Sonia. Tata!